Hello guys, very excited to be here today. Today we have Mr. Samir, who scored 75. He's been 7 in his PT. Congratulations, Samir.
Thank you, sir.
How was your PT journey?
You could say it was quite easy.
Easy. And which part do you feel most important in PT?
The most important part, you could say it would be grammar, because we all having studying grammar from outsiders, so it's quite easy.
Quite easy for you. And in speaking, what is the most important thing? Whether it is oral fluency or pronunciation or both or content, which are the most important or which is the most important thing in PT?
If you compare those three elements, you could say fluency, because fluency gives marks in your speaking, which is important. But content is not quite so important because it only carries 1 or 2 marks and it's not going to affect your overall mark.
Okay, let's talk about read aloud. Read aloud is very important part of PT. We know well that. Yeah, read aloud covers almost 44 marks in PT. In read aloud, what are the important there?
In read aloud, the main thing is your fluency. In all aspects, fluency is very important because it carries marks. I could say it carries more marks than anything else. So you just need to practice more and more until you can do it.
Okay, and let's talk about writing part. Writing part, which items are most important part for writing?
You could say in writing, it's said to be spellings, pronunciation, spellings, and the format. You should practice the format which is given to you. If you practice that format, you could get overall marks. You could get a few more marks than you could have get.
Okay, and there are 4 major skills. Yeah, they are grammar, spelling, vocabulary, and written discourse. Which are the most important, or all of them are important? What do you want to say about this part?
To all my viewers, I would like to say every aspect is very important because every aspect carries marks, which is important. Like if you get 65 marks and 1 marks is not enough to get you to a, if you get 1 marks less, you could get 6.5. So even 1 marks matters. So it's very important.
Okay, let's talk about reading. Most of the students feel that the reading is the toughest part of PT. And how was your experience regarding PT reading?
I would like to say for me, it's not quite that hard because I used to read in schools, colleges, so it's quite easy. You just have to practice because practice makes man perfect.
Okay, what kind of suggestions do you want to give the student who are struggling in PT reading?
So I would like to say you just have to practice. I would like to recommend a YouTube channel that is E2PT Academy, where you can learn many things. You can also learn to speak fluently, and overall that is very important. So you like to study at that.
Okay, let's talk about PT listening. Listening also important part. It covers 90 marks in PT. Which item do you feel very important in PT listening?
Listening, it's practice because without practice you cannot hear properly. So you just have to practice.
Yeah, and there are so many items. Yeah, summarize spoken text, fill in the blanks, and write from dictation, highlight incorrect words, and so many others. Which part do you feel very important in part of listening?
In listening part, you could say the grammars and other things like right from dictation.
Yeah.
And speaking. All the aspects are very important. So you just practice all those things.
Yeah, in listening part, mostly the write from dictation, fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect word, and let's summarize spoken text. They are very much important. Okay, okay. Samir, you have got very good marks in your first attempt. And what do you want to say to other students and friends who want to do their PT, who want to pass PT in their first attempt, scoring high marks? And what do you want to recommend?
I would just like to say, if you don't get feared, if you get few marks in your oral exams, which you take at home or anything anywhere else, just practice. Just because you got few marks here doesn't mean you will get there also. You just have to practice. Overall you will get over marks.
Okay. The student who want to come to best PT center, and what kind of recommendation do you want to give them?
I would like to say please come because you can find a very suitable environment here, and also you will get a well-known education. So overall here is best.
Okay, thank you very much, and best wishes for your further endeavor. Okay, thank you.